Hey subscribers, Flathead Terry here. Thanks for joining me today. I appreciate all your comments and the likes and your stories that you've been putting down below. Thank you very much for that. In today's episode, I'm going to build a spare. I don't have a spare tire for the 37 Plymouth Coupe. Follow along. Let's put one together, vintage style. Thanks. All right, let's take a look. So let's take a look right there. Let's build one. Okay, this is what I scored at the Jefferson swap meet. And I need a rim, and I happen to find this one. Got this one cheap. It's nice and 4 inches diameter across there. All right, time to clean this up. Got a bucket of soap water, got a brush. Let's see how this thing can polish up. There we go. Nice and fresh. Okay, which one of you suspects are going to be my inner tube for my spare tire? 2 weeks later, looks like this particular suspect feels a little deflated. So he's out of the question. And what else do we have here for the spare tire? This guy looks pretty good here. This guy is even better. This guy's already got a patch or two, so we're going to put him aside. So it's going to be one of these two. I choose this guy right here. Let's put him in. Okay, looks like I have the ingredients to build a spare. Let's see, we got this guy all cleaned up. This guy sat for 2 weeks with air in it, so it doesn't look like it's going to leak. And then lastly, I have one of the good tires, probably the only good one that was on the car, on the coupe. When I bought it, I know this thing is older than Moses, but it's pretty good shape. No cracks or anything along the edges. Still got some fairly decent tread on it. Should work. So there we go. Now, what I have to do next, I have to clean up this rim. So I'm going to keep this patina. I'm going to sandblast all of that out of there and paint it, make it nice and smooth, and start the assembly process. Okay, wheel is ready. Before I paint though, I wanted to take a quick look at some of the stampings underneath here. Take a look there. There happens to be an F with a 7 on it. And if I spin the wheel around a little bit here too, there's some more information here. E16 it looks like. There it is. A 4.00 and a 5.7 something or other. Alright, we're ready for paint, and what I have here is a jar of some chassis paint that I'll brush on with a foam brush. Put that on there. It's a high gloss, sticks to everything, super durable, dries fast and hard. So that's the plan. Okay, here it is, all painted up. I put it on pretty thick, so you'll see some runs, some drips, some airs. But the bottom line is it's ready for an inner tube and a tire now. Cover up all of the pock marks from all that rust and all the pitting and all that stuff. But we're good. There's the other side. Left it alone. And now let's get this thing together. Okay, first thing I like to do, get some of this baby powder stuff and sprinkle it inside. Then I like to lubricate. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see, 30 pounds, perfect for a spare tire. Okay, now for the, of course, keeping it old school, put the old style cap back on. Okay, now we're all set. We have a 3T all-weather 42 Goodyear, and we're all set to go here. That's the size over here. Carefully, there we are. Nylon. Oh yeah, now you're talking. Okay, good to go. Let's put it in the car. All right, let's get that tire in. Get that down. And take this guy off. Now the spare tire. There we go. There we go. Ready for action. Back in. Put the tire back down. Yeah, put this. Hey, check this out. This is the spare tire that came with the 37 Plymouth Coupe. Looks like it's the right one. Well, it turns out it has a 4 3/4 inch bolt pattern. The coupe itself needs 4.5 inch. So for decades, probably at least back to the 60s, this spare tire has been in here with the assumption that would fit. But it turns out that it won't. So I'm glad that I was able to get a new one, get it all done, and it's all replaced and ready for action. And if you need this, let me know down in the comments below. I'll send it to you.